Welcome. In order to work with any application which runs on server-side Node.js, we need to install the Node.js runtime. So go to this website called nodejs.org and go to download and download the long-term supported version for Windows. And if you are on any other operating system, go ahead and download that particular version. After downloading it, go ahead and install the MSI on your computer as the normal software installation process. So this will help us work with all the different technologies that need Node.js, and npm packages are a very important part of any application development. So in Node.js, npm comes inbuilt. Next, we will need an editor. So this is the by far the best editor, Visual Studio Code. Type on Google, go to the first link, and again, based on your operating system, click on download and download the software. After that, just follow the normal installation process for VS Code and also follow the normal installation process for the Node.js. They are very straightforward. If you just follow by pressing next, next, finish, it will be installed in few minutes. So this was it for this video. Thank you.